Hi everybody, it's Karie-Lee. Welcome back to another 10-minute tap class. This week we're going to learn an oldie but goodie. It's a step that keeps showing up in a lot of Golden Age musicals and it's a lot of fun. It's based in the Charleston and we put some taps into it. So go grab your tap shoes and let's get going. So, of course, the Charleston is not a tap dance, but the tap version of the Charleston shows up quite a bit in tap choreography. I was just working on a production of White Christmas. It's in the choreography for I Love a Piano. It's in my dance for Anything Goes. I'm setting a dance for Good Morning from Singin' in the Rain. Sure enough, there's a tap Charleston in there. So I noticed that my younger students, fresh out of college, are not familiar with it, and it takes some time breaking it down. So it's something that's not only fun just to know, but it's a good thing to have a handle on when you go in to do some musical theater dancing, or if you just want to tap dance, it's just fun. So anyway, I'm going to turn around and face the mirror so you can see the front of me in the mirror, and you can get the view of my feet from your perspective back there. If you're familiar with the Charleston, you're just going to start out with your weight on your left foot, and it just involves a touch to the front with the right foot, then step on your right foot, and then touch to the back with your left foot, and step on your left foot. So it's touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step. So we could take that same basic idea where our weight is on our left foot, and we're touching, stepping, touching, stepping. In between, there's going to be a tap sound all over the place. So you begin on count 8. You need to already have your weight on your left foot because 1 is your front foot. Instead of just touching it, you scuff your heel. So starting over, count 1 is scuff. Do a heel drop on your standing leg. Step back, toe, heel. Then touch behind, toe, another heel drop on your standing leg. And then it ends up the lap ball change. So it's still just touching front, touching back. In between each touch, you make some sounds. So 5, 6, 7, step left on 8, and scuff, heel, toe, heel, touch, heel, the lap ball change. Scuff, heel, toe, heel, touch back, heel, the lap ball change. Again, I'm scuffing right, heel left, right toe, heel, touch left, right heel, the lap ball change. Now when you're doing, it seems pretty easy when it's slow. It's just when you're doing it with some up-tempo music, the hardest part to fit in is at the end, just the lap ball change. So, and to get more energetic with it, you often will have big arms that swing around, heel, toe, heel. I like to reach straight down, toe, heel, the lap ball change, and scuff, heel, toe, heel, touch back, heel, the lap ball change. So let's do a close-up of my feet. You'll see that, and then we'll put it to music. Okay, sometimes it helps to see just the feet close up. So, as I said, we start out with our weight already on our left foot on count 8, and we're going to start with a heel on 1. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Scuff, heel, toe, heel, tap, heel, the lap ball change. I'm going to try that a little angle, because I feel like when I'm going right behind, maybe you can't see. So my weight is on my left foot. I'm going to start out with a scuff. 5, 6, 7, 8, scuff, heel, toe, heel, tap, heel, the lap ball change. Scuff, heel, toe, heel, touch back, and left for lap ball change. So you got to step on your left foot, right, left. Okay, so let's try it with music. It's so much more fun when there's music going. And The way I like to work up to full speed on the tap steps and still be accurate is I've dialed down the music to half the regular speed. So we're going to start out doing it pretty slow, which sometimes makes it harder to keep your balance. You have to have more control to do it slowly, but it helps you make sure that you're being accurate and you can do it correctly, and then we'll dial it up a little bit and then we'll hit up to full speed. We're just going to repeat the Charleston a few times. See, it's pretty draggy, so start on your left foot, scuff, heel, toe, heel, touch, heel, flap, ball change. So that was 50%. So let's make up just a little combination. So we're going to start out with the Charleston step. We're going to do it 4 times. Start with your weight on your left foot, and it goes scuff, heel, toe, heel, touch, heel, flap, ball change. That's 2 times, 3, and 4. And then we're going to flap, step, flap, step, flap, step, flap, touch, flap, step, flap, step, flap, step, flap, touch. And then Charleston again, 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Then flap, step, 8 times around in a circle. Charleston, and end. Okay, now let's try our little combination. Let's stick at 75%, and then we'll head on up to 100%. Here we go, and scuff, heel, toe, heel. That's 1, 3, 4. And here we go. 4 and left. Charlestons. 2, 3, 4. Now around in a circle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and scuff, heel. And end. What fun music. We could go on. Okay, I'm going to dial us up to full speed ahead. And that's as normal. So we'll try to be normal on this speed. One thing that you will have to do is make everything smaller at this tempo. You don't have time for the big swinging around of your leg. And so when we get to the 4th Charleston, we're going to switch over to the flap steps. Instead of going flap, ball change, flap, step, which normally you would have time to do, we're going to just go flap, touch, flap, step, flap, step. It's just, instead of flap, ball change, it's flap, touch, get ready to go on your flap step. At this tempo, I think if you just learn the tap Charleston, this will make it easier. Tons of fun. Normal speed. Here we go. Ready? And that's 3. Last one. Three. Last one. 4. Oh, that's fun. Thanks for joining me here today. I hope you had a good time and that you'll go out and do the tap Charleston. If you're interested in tap dancing, check out my other videos, especially if you're a beginner, if you're an adult just getting started in tap. I have a lot of other fun videos that are targeted just for you. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below if there's a step that you're interested in learning, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I put out my next video. And I'll see you next time on Still Kickin' with Karie-Lee. Tap your troubles away. Normal. Let's try to be normal. You are notified next time I